an expression of the inner love and devotion they have in their hearts. Their love has survived a long-distance relationship, for true love does not mean being inseparable. It means being separated and nothing changes. It has been said, distance is not for the fearful, it is for the bold. It is for those who are willing to spend a lot of time alone in exchange for a lifetime together. For distance never really separates two hearts that really care. Marriage is one of the most precious occasions in life when we are presented with the profound opportunity to enter the timeless dimension of love. It emphasizes and reminds us that our lives have meaning and purpose beyond the day-to-day affairs of worldly life, and that love is the strongest bond, the greatest joy, and the sweetest nourishment we can ever experience. A good marriage is more than love. It is trust, to know in your heart that you want the best for what is each other. It is dedication, to stay open to one another, to learn to grow even when it is difficult to do so. It is faith to go forward together without knowing what the future holds for both of you. A good marriage must be creative. In marriage, the little things are big things. It is never too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, I love you at least once a day. It is never and facing the world. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is having the capacity to forgive and forget. It is giving each other an atmosphere in which each can grow. It is not only marrying the right person, it is being the right partner. In presenting yourself here today to be joined in marriage, you perform an act of faith. Dedication, love, and joy can grow only when you nourish them together. Having faith in your shared destiny as you have faith in one another today. Nicholas, do you take Erin to be your wedded wife? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, forsaking all others, and holding only to her forevermore?
I do.
Erin, do you take Nicholas to be your wedded husband? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsaking all others, and holding only unto him forevermore?
I do.
Erin and Nicholas have composed their own vows.
Erin, I vow to always love, care, and be there for you. I promise to always keep an open mind, support you through all of our highs, all of our lows. I will always love you and know that you love me even on your worst day. I love you as much as I always have, and I always will.
Nicholas, nothing fills me with joy more than the fact we are finally standing here together. To say we've proved anyone who doubted us wrong staying together so long after such a long distance relationship would cheapen what I feel for you. To me, our love is a weird but amazing love, and nothing has ever made me happier than to wake up and finally see you next to me. I promise I will always be by your side through sickness and health, zombie apocalypse or alien invasion, and even if I go a little crazy after being up 3 days in a row on an artistic binge. I love you, and nothing will ever change that.
I understand you have rings. Nicholas, as you place the ring on Erin's finger, repeat after me. I, Nicholas, take thee, Erin, to be my wife, and with this ring I thee wed.
I, Nicholas, take Erin.
I take thee, Erin,
I take Erin
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
and with this ring
and with this ring,
I thee wed.
I be wed.
Erin, as you place the ring on Nicholas's finger, repeat after me. I, Erin, take thee, Nicholas,
I, Erin, take thee, Nicholas,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
and with this ring I thee wed.
and with
ceaseless reminder of the hour and of the promise you have made to each other, these rings speak of the oneness you now experience as husband and wife. Inasmuch as you have consented together in this ceremony to live in wedlock and have sealed your vows in the presence of this company and by the giving of these rings, it is my honor to pronounce that